Getting a strong click-through rate, or CTR, in Google Ads is one of the best indicators that your campaigns are connecting with your audience. Whether you're new to Google Ads or already running multiple campaigns, improving CTR is key to getting more engagement, conversions, and overall success from your ad spend. Let's walk through the essential steps to boost your CTR effectively. First, open your browser and go to ads.google.com. Sign in with your Google account to access your main dashboard where all your campaigns are managed. Once you're inside, click on the Campaigns tab. This section gives you a complete overview of your active, paused, and completed campaigns. Reviewing this data helps you identify which ads are performing well and which ones may need adjustment. Now, let's move on to optimizing your ad assets. Go to the Assets section within your account. Here, you can manage all the visual and textual elements that make up your ads, such as headlines, descriptions, images, and videos. Make sure each asset is relevant, visually appealing, and clearly communicates your value proposition. Ads with strong visuals and compelling messages tend to attract more clicks. One of the most effective ways to increase CTR is by using ad extensions. These are additional elements that appear below your main ad, like call buttons, location details, or extra links to different pages on your site. They make your ad more informative and stand out on the search results page. Try using a mix of site link extensions, callout extensions, and structured snippets to give users more reasons to click. Next, focus on refining your headlines and descriptions. The headline is often the first thing a user notices, so make it engaging and action-oriented. Include strong keywords that match the user's intent and communicate exactly what they'll gain by clicking your ad. For example, instead of professional cleaning services, try affordable same-day cleaning near you. Another critical factor is targeting the right audience. Review your keywords and match types to ensure your ads are appearing for the most relevant search queries. Avoid overly broad targeting, which can waste impressions on uninterested users. Instead, use phrase or exact match keywords to reach people who are actively searching for what you offer. Don't forget to analyze your ad performance regularly. Monitoring metrics such as impressions, CTR, and conversion rate will show you what's working and where to optimize. /B testing different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action can reveal valuable insights into what resonates most with your audience. Lastly, remember that relevance and clarity always win. Make sure your ad text directly reflects the content of your landing page. When users find exactly what they expect after clicking your ad, they're more likely to engage, improving both CTR and quality score. By following these steps and continuously refining your campaigns, you'll notice steady improvement in your CTR and overall performance. The key is consistency, testing, analyzing, and optimizing over time. And that's it. You now know how to improve your CTR in Google Ads. Keep experimenting, stay focused on relevance, and you'll see better engagement and more results from your advertising efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.